If you're looking for ways to diversify and protect your retirement portfolio with gold and silver, you've come to the right place. We all know how unpredictable the markets can be, especially with inflation and economic uncertainties on the rise. That's why many American retirees are turning to gold and silver as a safe haven for their hard-earned wealth. But the real question is, how do you make sure you're protecting your retirement with the right moves? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to leverage gold and silver to safeguard your future. Now, before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description below. Thousands of Americans are using a free gold IRA guide to learn how to protect their savings. So, if you've got 100K plus in your IRA or 401K, or even 5 plus in savings, this guide could be the game changer for you. When it comes to diversifying your retirement, gold and silver are some of the most reliable options available. Unlike stocks or bonds, precious metals have stood the test of time. Even during times of market turbulence, gold and silver have historically maintained their value, which makes them a powerful hedge against inflation and economic downturns. You don't want all your eggs in one basket, especially when traditional investments like stocks or mutual funds are subject to volatility. A gold IRA is one of the best ways to integrate gold and silver into your retirement portfolio. With a gold IRA, you can roll over your existing retirement funds from a traditional IRA or 401k into a tax-advantaged account that holds physical gold or silver. It's not just an investment, it's a way to protect the purchasing power of your savings in the long term. And the best part? You don't have to worry about the complicated rules around purchasing precious metals directly because the IRA custodian handles everything for you. Now, let's talk about the options outside of gold IRAs. You might be thinking about buying gold and silver directly, but there are several risks to that. Storing physical gold and silver can be expensive and complicated. Plus, there are safety concerns. Unless you're using a highly secure vault or storage facility, keeping precious metals at home or in a regular safe could expose you to theft. A gold IRA solves these problems by offering secure storage, making it a far more convenient and risk-free option for most retirees. And, let's be real, keeping your wealth in traditional accounts that rely solely on paper assets like stocks or bonds exposes you to unnecessary risk. Market crashes, inflation, or geopolitical uncertainty can eat away at your savings, but gold and silver act as a safeguard against these dangers. If you're still wondering why gold IRAs are so effective, just consider this. In the face of inflation, gold has historically maintained or increased in value while the US dollar has depreciated. For retirees, this is essential. Protecting your wealth means making sure your purchasing power remains intact, and gold and silver are reliable vehicles to help you achieve that. Stocks may offer growth, but the downside risk is much higher compared to the stability precious metals provide. So, what can you do right now? If you have 100K or more in an IRA or 401k, or even 5 plus in savings, consider a gold IRA as your next move. The process is straightforward, and you'll work with a trusted custodian to manage the entire transfer process, giving you peace of mind while you protect your retirement from future economic volatility. Before we wrap up, don't forget to click the first link in the description to access a free gold IRA guide. If you're serious about securing your wealth, this could be your next step. Thousands of Americans are already learning why gold IRAs are the smartest move for their retirement. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Remember, as an American retiree, you've worked hard to build your wealth, and the last thing you want is to lose it to inflation, market crashes, or poor investment choices. Gold and silver are proven assets that can protect and diversify your portfolio in ways traditional investments can't. If you're ready to take action, that free guide is waiting for you in the description. Thanks for watching, and make sure to protect your wealth with gold and silver.